A County Meath house at the centre of a long-running planning row is being demolished. It was built 20 years ago without planning permission. The owners went to the High Court yesterday in a last-ditch attempt to save it. A judge ruled against them and the demolition began this morning.
Early this morning, the first digger rolled onto the property at Bohermeen in Bohermeen. The house had previously been cleared of its owner's possessions and the site secured by a private security firm working on behalf of Meath County Council, who is demolishing this house on foot of a High Court order. The digger could be seen tearing through the roof, exposing the interior on the floors below. The debris of the former family home loaded onto a lorry and taken away. This house was built by its owners Chris and Rose Murray without planning permission in 2006 and has been the subject of multiple planning refusals, appeals and legal proceedings over 20 years. Until this week, when the High Court directed the council take possession of the house to demolish it. A small Garda presence was maintained on site as the work was carried out, and after lunch, around 2/3 of the main house had been reduced to rubble. Meath County Council has said its enforcement position has been upheld by the courts over a prolonged period. The Murrays are now pursuing a case before the European Court of Human Rights, and a High Court order directing them to come before the court on Monday for breaching a previous undertaking to vacate the house remains in place. It's understood the demolition of this substantial property will include everything down to the driveway, the exterior walls and even the septic tank in order to restore the land to its original state, and that could take more than a week to complete. Laura Hogan, RTE News.